We need jeans that are wide enough in the waist that I can eat a lot of pasta.
Are you listening? Damn.
We're going to Italy, baby. I got my luggage. This one is pretty big, kind of bigger than I would want. My other one is like way too small. I have nothing in the middle of these two, so we're just gonna roll with this one. And I did film this video yesterday and then it was all out of focus, so here I am filming again. By the time you see this, I will be in Italy, so go follow my Instagram to stay updated on the trip. This video is going to be focused on what I'm packing for outfits instead of all the toiletries, makeup, that stuff, because that I've done a few times in my other videos. Go watch these videos to see what I packed for toiletries and any tips I have on that. But for this one, we're going to be focused on shoes, clothing, purses, stuff like that. Fashion stuff. And I got a checked luggage up to 50 pounds, I believe. I hope. It's not summer, so clothing is a little bit more bulky and heavier. But the weather there is like 70s during the day, 50s at night. Okay, so let's get packing. Let's get picking some cute outfits. Let's get into it. Okay, this is a more casual outfit. Lots of layers. I literally copied this exact outfit from Pinterest. That's how I got a lot of my outfit ideas, so if you're ever stuck with what to wear, I definitely recommend Pinterest. Like I said, a more casual outfit. So we got this. I'm thinking possibly white Air Forces or black Converse. Do prefer it with the white Converse. Even in this room, I can't fit in the frame. I need like a wide lens or something. I prefer it with the white shoes. This is outfit 1. Plug this in, open it up, whatever. Throw this on if it gets chilly. Yeah, that is the outfit. Now let's go for number 2. Okay, this is outfit number 2. I forgot to say where everything's from in the last one. So from the previous outfit, I had this like little bra tank top thing underneath. This is thrifted. This is thrifted. You guys are gonna hate me. This is also thrifted. And these are the jeans I was wearing, which are also thrifted. So that doesn't help you very much. This outfit, blazer is thrifted. This is a Skims bodysuit. The pants are thrifted and shoes are Converse. But this is just like a little casual outfit, and then with the blazer, it dresses it up a bit. Outfit number 2 is done. Now let's go put together outfit number 3. Okay, this is outfit number 3, another casual one. I'm showing you all the jean ones first because I just want to make it easier to try everything on. This is a bodysuit that is thrifted. Vest is from Amazon. Same jeans as before, and white Air Forces. And I'm debating if I should pack another pair of jeans, like maybe a tighter fit. The light probably makes this look way worse than it is, but I have like a bralette underneath, which is from Aerie. And yeah, I think this shirt is really cute. I just got it last week. It's like something you get at Free People, I feel like, right now, but it's a nice brown bodysuit, and I've been loving brown, and I don't really have a lot of it, so now I have 2 brown items. But let's get on to outfit number 4. Okay, this is another possible outfit. I feel like I need to be like in a library or something, like reading a book. Little turtleneck is from Uniqlo. Vest is thrifted. Same jeans as before. Same shoes as before. I don't know if it screams Italy. But yeah, this is a possible outfit. So on to the next one. Okay, not positive about this one, but this could be like a night transition from that last outfit. Swap out the shoes and this. Add a jacket. I don't know. Is it cute or is she ugly? I just really like this shirt. This is thrifted. Everything else I already told you. Oh, these are fake Prada because I'm not trying to pay $1,000 for a shoe. Another outfit down. On to the next. This is my greatest creation. Definitely not casual. Definitely a little out there. Might not be everyone's taste, but I feel like a rich, stylish woman. Boots I got from Zappos, I believe. Tights are Amazon. Jacket is thrifted. Shirt is thrifted. Skirt is Halara. Bag thrifted. From Coach. Headband thrifted. Sunglasses Amazon. I feel like I'm just gonna like strut around. And I can either do like this fanny pack that I have on or a black purse. Because I hate like big bags and I like having my arms free because I'm a child. This is probably my favorite outfit. I'm gonna be wearing this in Florence, I think, because I feel like that is the most fashionable, cool place. This isn't like a wine country fit. Okay, let's try on another. The next outfit is this dress and the boots. Dress is from Tilly's, but then I'm gonna have this sweater over it, which is from my mom's closet, which I'm guessing is thrifted. That's where most of our clothes are from, if you couldn't tell. We're big thrifters. And then like a black headband. And I'm gonna bring a pair of like sheer tights, just in case it is a little too chilly to just have a skirt on. But yeah, this is the next outfit. I'm gonna feel like Blair Waldorf. But the sweater is very cute. I really like the texture. I love this dress. I think it's flattering on everyone. It's like rouged. This is thrifted too. Pretty sure it's not real. We don't mind that. It can be like a long bag too, so I could even do that, or like crossbody. And yeah, that is this outfit. So on to the next. Okay, this is not a daytime outfit, but tell me that this is not the cutest ever. I just need to like wear this out to dinner one night or something and get a picture like spinning in it because it's so pretty. We love her. Jacket is thrifted. Dress I literally got for $4. Dress thrifted. It's actually a romper, so that's fun. I can spin and not flash everyone. This is like a dinner outfit. I'm not gonna wear this during the day, but I will definitely need to wear it out at night because I think it's so beautiful. And again, I can add like sheer black tights if it is chilly. I'm obsessed, like actually obsessed. It's so cute. Okay, just picture this outfit with white socks. It looks much better with like the white socks with the loafers. They're just in my room and I don't have the energy to be getting them. This is the outfit. I really like this one. Headband thrifted, jacket thrifted. Top is Uniqlo. I just like tucked it under my bralette thing because otherwise it was a bit too long and I wanted like a sliver of skin showing. Skirt is LF. Shoes are the fake Pradas again, and my white socks that I wear are from Amazon. I have ones with like frills on them or just ones that I bunch down a little. Yeah, that is the outfit vibe. We love her. Not really sure how I'm supposed to tie this, but I think it's really great to like reuse the jackets in certain pieces or shoes because I can't be packing 1,000 things. So a lot of these I'm gonna be reusing, just like jeans or like this white bralette I wore on the first one, just stuff like that. I think that's all the outfits. I might just throw in 1 or 2 like little tank tops that I can wear with jeans and this if I wanted to like change for going to dinner. The one outfit that I'm trying to figure out is my airport outfit because I was gonna try to wear this for the airport just so it's not so heavy in the bag, but everything that I try to wear with this looks a little strange, so don't know. We'll see how heavy the luggage is and if I need to try to wear this. That is another tip I have. Try to wear like your heaviest jacket on the plane with you. Alright, I guess let's start packing it into my luggage and weighing it, see how heavy it is. Please pray for me. Comes the moment of truth. We're gonna weigh the luggage. I don't have my makeup and all of my toiletries in yet, so I put a pair of shoes in that I'll probably end up wearing one of them to the airport. So this is just to get an idea to see if I'm already overweight. This was already 11 pounds when I weighed it to begin with. This says Travel Smart by Conair. Don't know where we got this. I found it in my basement. I definitely recommend one of these. You just like hang whatever you want to weigh on here and then it'll tell you how much it weighs so you don't have to try to like balance it on a scale. We're gonna test this. 37 pounds! Whoa! Okay, so I don't have to wear my leather jacket in the airport and I should be good. I have 13 pounds to go buy some stuff, come back with it. Alright, that was a lot smoother than I thought it was gonna go. I'm not gonna show you guys my carry-on because that's kind of the same as usual. I'm just gonna bring a book, my drone, cameras, all that jazz. If you're curious about that stuff, definitely go watch my other packing videos. These ones, those are for more warm vacations. This is the first one that I get to pack like cute, stylish fall outfits for, so I'm very excited. I'm leaving in 5 days! Woo! The next video will probably be something that I filmed on the trip. Okay, have a great rest of your day. I will see you guys in the next video. I love you all. Welcome to my closet. I'm thinking skirts. Skirts. There's not a thing going on in my brain.
Earn, crack money, drug money, bail money, heard they got life for me.